Hi, it's the day for ExpertVillage. Today we're going to make some stuffed mushrooms with ham and shrimp. Okay, so we're going to make a little quick shrimp stock here. If you had all the shrimp shells, like from other things like I was saying, where you could put them in the freezer and you'd put them in a big pot of water and boil them down a little, put a little flavoring and little seasonings into it. But I found something that's really easy. It's a shrimp bouillon. And this is awesome. So we start out, I just put this in the microwave, got to almost boiling, and you see this nice big square of shrimp stock, basically. It's just reduced shrimp stock, just like beef bouillon. And what we want to do is just go ahead and dissolve this in the water. If it doesn't dissolve all the way in here, that's fine, because that's going to go into your other pot with all the vegetables and things like that, so don't worry about it. But as you see, it blends in pretty well. Makes a really aromatic